How do you verify your domain in Facebook Business Manager that will allow you to get an Instagram and Facebook shop? I will tell you exactly what you need to do to verify that domain for multiple platforms in today's video. Hi, I'm Lydia. On this channel, we talk about growing your social media presence and income. So if you're interested in those topics, make sure to subscribe down below. So how do you verify your website domain in Facebook Business Manager? The very first thing you need to do is obviously purchase a domain for your website if you don't have one already. If you do have one, then the first thing you need to do is go to business.facebook.com, click on more tools and business settings, or if you don't see the business setting option, you can click on commerce, then go to all tools and click business settings. From there, you can go to brand safety and click on domains. If you haven't added your domain there yet, you can do that now. You can click add and add your domain without the extension before it. You will need to add your domain like incomingsuccess.com and then click add. Now you will see a drop down on your screen which allows you to select which way do you want to use to verify your domain. I suggest using the add a meta tag to your HTML source code. Once you click on that, you will see copy the meta tag and you will have to click on it to copy that code. Now it's time to paste it in the right place on your website. That will allow you to then come back and verify this domain. Now I will share these ones right now for WordPress, Shopify, Etsy, Squarespace, Wix, and GoDaddy. For other platforms such as Redbubble, BigCommerce, CSCart, Oberloo, Magento, I will create a different video for these platforms or a different video specifically for each one because they're a bit more complicated. If you want to know how to verify your domain for any other platforms, please leave a comment below suggesting what that is and I will create a video on it. Now let's begin with the first one. For WordPress, you will need to go to your plugins and click add new plugin, search insert headers and footers app. Once you install that and activate it, you will go to settings, insert headers and footers, and then you will paste that code that you got from Facebook in the first box that says between the head code. Then you will need to save that and go back to Facebook and verify your domain. For Shopify, you will need to go to the Shopify App Store, find a head app, an app that allows you to add a code to the head section of your website. I use this one right here. Link is in the description as well. And then once you start a free trial, you will see the option of adding that code site-wide. So add that code there and save. Next, for Etsy, you will need to go to your shop manager, settings, Facebook shops, and then you will see the option of adding the head code there and save it. For your Wix website, you will need to go to your settings, advanced, custom code, add custom code, select place code in head and also for all pages, and then paste the code and save it. For Squarespace, go to your account, click on website, go to settings, advanced, code injection and paste the code in the header. Then click save. For GoDaddy, go to your website, click edit website, settings, move down to analytics and tracking, select Facebook meta tag and then paste the code. Again, for more platforms such as BigCommerce, please be sure to subscribe because more videos are coming soon. Then the next step you'll need to do to actually verify this domain is to wait a little bit and then go back to click that green button that says verify domain. If that doesn't work for you and you're still getting the error and the dot above the domain is still red, they say you need to wait up to 72 hours for that code to apply to the website and for Facebook to find that code in your website. So don't hurry, give it a little bit of time. You can refresh the page and then try verifying it again, but do not remove the domain, then try adding it again thinking it will speed things up, because all that you will do is generate a different code from Facebook and then you will need to paste the code again and do the whole process again for them to find the new code. So I highly suggest that you wait and try again in a few hours, and then in a few days if it still doesn't work for you. The process can be different for different platforms, but it can take from a few minutes to, again, hours for them to be able to verify your domain. If after 72 hours they still didn't find the code in your website, I suggest contacting Facebook support by going to your commerce account overview, learn more in the contact support option, click that you have a problem with your shops, and chat with them live so they will fix that problem for you. So there you go. This is how you verify your domain for your Facebook business in Facebook Business Manager, and how you add the code to multiple websites for different platforms. Again, every platform is different, but if you have a website built on a website building platform, you should have the option of adding a code to the head section of your website. So if you don't know where that is, or if you still cannot find where that is, make sure to contact the support for your hosting platform or for your website platform. I'm sure they will be able to help. Thank you so much for watching. You can also follow me on Instagram at Lead@Incoming Success, where I post a bunch more videos and informational content on growing your online business and making more money online. Make sure to subscribe for more videos coming every single week, and press the bell to be notified when I upload. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video.